Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Lizard Production Hops Yard and Store Pack by Scandinavian Vikings Mod Rebuilds Team on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro here on 4 fields, and you're going to need a very, very large, very flat piece of land for these, well, this mod. It actually comes with 2. So first of all, let's come up here, way up here, and as you can see here, this entire facility is one of them. Then we have a sell point. So the sell point's over here. It's kind of like you sell everything, but it's yeah, let's turn that off. You can spin it around however you like. So that's really nice. We'll take a look at that. But the main factory is right here. 150. So only $157,000, but it is massive. As you can see here, it's kind of lagging out a little bit because it's such a huge facility. But yeah, as you can see, you're going to need a very large piece of land, and we'll take a tour around it. But anyways, let's go back there. Woo. Yeah, it's massive. Okay, the sell point, very, very cute. The specialty country store has some nice decorations around here. Please return your shopping carts here. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. And 2 of those we have around the back here. We have actually have a electric charging station that you can use. Very cool. Here is the input. It like literally buys everything that I could tell. Maybe the odd thing it might not buy, but you should be able to sell everything there. Prices are pretty, let's say pretty normal. If we take a look at barley, it's around the same price as the other ones. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, it's about the same as to sell everything. So I would say, yeah, right in there with pretty much everything. Peas, yes. Yeah, so everything, even, let's see, straw. I think I even seen straw in here. Yeah, even straw. So literally everything. And then some decorations out the back here, the trash bin. And then the other side. Apparently Friday is a great day to come here for the sales. 30% off this Friday. Nice. Okay, anyways, enough kidding aside. Let's take a look at the main facility, and it's like I said, it is huge. Entranceway. There's some lighting and stuff at night. Now, here's the main entrance. Oh, what does this sign say? It says road constructions. Yes, so there's some. Yeah, it's kind of like some extra construction going on inside. Most of these buildings are just, I'm going to say administrative or production, where you can't go inside or anything like that. What I want to show you first, before I forget, is over here. This is their hops field. Now, if we come in here and take a look at the recipes, these are the inputs. Most of the inputs are for the hops. If we take a look at hops, you need water, seeds, solid fertilizer, lime, and herbicide, and you will make hops. Why hops? Because hops is in every an ingredient for every one of these drinks. Now, the drink recipes are quite simple. Water, hops, and honey. Water, strawberry, and hops, and sugar. And then water, grapes, hops, and sugar. Let's see, was that sugar in there? No, no sugar in the top. The animal keeper water. So we have turned the hops on. If I turn off the hops, voila, no hops in the yard. Turn it back on. There we are. So let's talk about hops first. I placed down a sell point over here. You can place down sell points and stuff like that inside this facility. You just have to go and do the old, let's go with container, just to show you. So it says overlaps. We just toggle free and away you go. You can place a sell point inside here, or a buy point or sell point, or actually literally anything you want. You can also put another production in here if you feel like it. There's a little bit of room back here. Anyways, this is where everything spawns out. So the produced materials or produced products come here. Now the one thing I did, this is the hops. So when you produce the hops, it pops out here in crates. Now the problem with that is the input for the hops for the production for the drinks is over on the other side. We'll show you where that is. And I don't see a area where we can take out bulk hops in bulk trailer. I have tried putting this into a trailer, and it doesn't seem. This is a base game trailer. If we take a look at the, if you follow my, if you're gonna follow my my reasoning here, if we take a look at the inputs on the trailer, it even has the drinks in there, so I don't know how that works. That's kind of weird, but definitely has a hop symbol right at the end there. But it wouldn't take these as a loose product. They'll go into the input area where the hops goes in, and we'll show you that right now, and then we'll go over to the area for the input. Now, there's also noted in the description that the facility is closed between, let me get it here, between certain hours, 6:30 to 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So game time, or 6:30 to 18:30 on the military time. All right, so here is your input area. Crates like this go in here, and that's where I go, and that'll be inputted into your facility. All the liquids go in here. So if we take a look at liquids, we have herbicide, we have water, well, water and herbicide. Those are our liquids inputs. Bulk inputs go here. So we're looking at grapes, honey, nope, grapes and lime and seeds and solid fertilizer. And then all the pallet products go here. So if you have fertilizer in pallets, they would go here and not here, right? So we just have the three inputs: liquids, pallets, bulk material. This bulk material has a gate that closed. You will need to open that gate in order to put stuff in there. Right. We have our factory management point over here. Let's go back in there. So now that we have the hops made, I filled up these other 100,000 liters of all those items, and I have now set it to distribute so that it goes directly into the production chain. So we're gonna no, not distributing, storing. We're going to turn all the water on now, and the water production. Let's see, 528. So 528 is cycles per month for everything, and we have 59 liters and 57 liters for the water, and the hops was 47 liters per cycle, right? So I think that's it. There's a massive description. So if you look at the mod description on the mod hub or in the in-game mod hub, it has every little detail in there in case you want to go back and look at something. Or yeah, it's highly detailed. So the only thing, well, let's run it now and make sure we get the product. The product's going to spawn over there, so we'll meet you over at the distribution area. All right, so 1 month later, we have maxed out 20,000 liters of each in storage, plus all of this out here. They are not liftable, and they will not be liftable no matter what you do, unless you're on PC. But on console, you will have to move these manually, and they will not likely be able to be picked up by any auto load trailers either. This is a modded pallet. This is the farmer water, 380 liter capacity of this pallet. There we go, $1,500. And then let's see, what do we got here? This is the lumberjack water, so 380 liters for each pallet of drinks. That's what each one holds. So your price here, I think would be under T. So here's hops. Hops sells for a decent price, actually, if you just want to sell the hops. Let's see, there we go. The farmer water, 3,800. Lumberjack is 46. And the animal keeper is 55. So those are your prices. There we go. Sold that one. So production is actually pretty good. What you would kind of expect from a huge facility like this. So before we wrap things up, I do want to check one other thing. I have some modded. No, the modded ones don't. Yeah. None of the tankers hold any of the liquid either, so these pallets are as is. I don't think you'd be able to load these pallets up as a liquid or as a solid. As I said, I like to see the hops in a bulk, some kind of a bulk output. It does show what appears to be hops pouring out of a trailer in one of the mod pictures of the mod description. It looks like hops in a trailer, but I can't get it. I can't see where a bulk output would be for the hops, unless I'm missing it. But in the meantime, if you don't want to deal with the pallets, just set it to distribute. Right, distribute, and it'll just hold on to it. It won't spawn any. It won't spawn any pallets, and then you'll be able to use it internally to make the drinks. And that's it. That is the Lizard Production Hops Yard and Store Pack on Farming Simulator 25. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, bye for now.